Magandang araw, Marikina Polytechnic College. So ngayon, nandito po tayo ngayon kasama po si Ma'am Teresa from MLMC. And hi, Ma'am Teresa. So Ma'am Teresa, pwede po ba kayong magbigay sa amin ng information po?
Sure. Ano bang gusto mong malaman?
Like, ano pong distinction nyo po sa company po ninyo?
Sige. Papakilala ko muna yung sarili ko. Okay lang ba?
Yes.
My name is Maria Teresa. I'm from Mountain View Leasing and Management. So, ano ba yung una mong tanong? Ano bang gusto mong malaman about sa company namin?
So, yun ma'am, nandito po kasi kami ngayon ma'am para po mag-interview about TQM implementation ma'am. So first muna ma'am, gusto lang po muna namin itanong sa inyo kung ano po ang definition sa inyo ma'am ng leadership?
Okay. As a leader, ako yung nagbibigay pa yung makakatulong sa akin na sasakupan. Okay? As admin staff ng Mountain View, need namin i-maintain ang building na gagawin, yung mga gagawin like repair ng mga kailangan natin sa mga tenant. Para makamit natin yung customer service and customer satisfaction ng ating tenants.
So, ma'am, nasabi niyo po na parang meron admin na po kayo tapos kayo pa po yung head na. Paano niyo nagagawa yun, ma'am?
Maayos na pakikitungo.
Yes.
Yes.
So, grabe,
Kailangan
ma'am.
natin yan para tayo sundin ng ating mga maintenance like
Yes.
electrician, utility, and guard.
Yes.
Also guard. Tapos construction.
Yes. So, grabe no, ma'am. Pakahusay po ninyo. Ang dami niyo pong ginagawa. Ang dami niyong ina-administer na
Yes.
iba't ibang tao, iba't ibang staff. And then, yet, nagagawa pa rin po ninyo yung tungkulin niyo as an admin. Grabe po.
As a company admin, leadership can be defined as ability to influence, motivate, and guide others toward achieving common goals. It's about creating a vision and inspiring others to want to work towards the vision. Effective leaders are able to build trust, foster collaboration, and empower their teams to succeed. As a leadership is a critical skill for any company admin. By developing strong leadership skills, you can create a more productive and engaged workforce and help your company to achieve its goals.
Next question naman po tayo, ma'am. Okay po, ma'am. So, ano kaya po sa tingin ninyo yung definition or for you po, what's the meaning of partnership?
Para sa akin, ang partnership ay isa sa mga dapat na ginagawa, lalo na sa kumpanya. Para lumago, hindi lang kami yung dapat ang lalago, kundi tutulungan din namin yung tenants namin na lumago.
Yes, so grabe naman. Yung MLMC, ma'am, is not all about the MLMC itself.
Yes.
Palagi niyo pong iniisip kung ano po yung priority niyo po yung kapakanan at yung kahalagahan ng mga staffs po, ng mga tenants po ninyo.
Yes.
And grabe po yung ganong pag-uugali, ma'am.
A partnership is the legally binding agreement between two or more parties to manage and operate the business and share its profits and liabilities. Partnership can be formed between individual, business, or other organizations. There are several different types of partnership, but the most common or general partnership is limited partnership. In a general partnership, all partners share unlimited liability for debt and obligation of the business. It means that if the partnership is issued by partners, personal asset can be seized to pay off debt in the limited partnership. There are two types of partners, general partners and limited partners. General partners have unlimited liability, while the limited partners have limited liability, which means that they are only liable for debt of partnership up of the amount of their investment. Benchmarking is the process of comparing your company's performance metric and practices to those of other companies. Industry standard or the best practices. This process can be used to identify areas where your company is excelling and areas where improvement can be made. Benchmarking can be valuable tools for any company admins to help identify areas where their companies can be improve their performance and achieve their goals. By regularly benchmarking your company performance, you can stay ahead of competition and ensure that your company is operating at its the best.
So, ang next question naman namin, ma'am. So, this is the last question na po, ma'am. So, for you po, ma'am, ano po ang definition po or ano po yung mapapayo niyo po para po sa ating customer satisfaction?
Okay, para sa akin ang isang customer satisfaction. Bilang isang leasing company, ang aming customer ay mga tenants. So, kailangan namin maibigay or ibigay ang best for them para masatisfy sila. Almost 30 years, ang company ay masisigurado namin na maibigay ang dapat and best and secure syempre sa ating tenant.
Customer satisfaction is the crucial aspect business success. It's the representative degree to which company's product or service meet or exceeds customer expectation. High customer satisfaction leads to repeat business, positive words of mouth, and strong brand reputations. Conversely, low customer satisfaction can lead to negative reviews or customer churn and damage brand image. Measuring customer satisfaction is essential for understanding how customers perceive your companies and identifying area for improvement. Various methods can be used to gather customer feedback, including service interviews, focus group, and social media monitoring.
Yes. So, yun nga no, marami kayo ma'am iniisip with regards po dun sa security, sa betterment po ng ating mga tenant. And that's good ma'am kasi ma'am, di ba sobrang dami niyo na pong ginagawa katulad nga na sinabi niyo po kanina na ang dami niyo pong nakapila, naka-line up na activities tapos iniisip niyo pa rin po yung security nila. So, grabe po yung efforts po ninyo para sa inyong mga tenants. At the same time, ginagawa niyo yung best po ninyo. So, with that ma'am, gusto lang po namin magpasalamat po in behalf of the Marikina Polytechnic College. Gusto po namin magpasalamat po sa inyo. And once again, I am John Paul A. Cabilatasan together with Ma'am Maria Teresa from MLMC.
Yes.